what are the indications that really speak of how the Aam Aadmi Party is giving increasing importance to Sunita Kejriwal? Let's quickly take you through some of those instances that suggest likewise. Sunita Kejriwal, remember, will be campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party, has been named Aam Aadmi Party star campaigner, will be campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party in Gujarat elections as well. Specifically in Gujarat elections, her name has featured, and all of this has been confirmed as per our sources. Our sources have told us that Sunita Kejriwal most certainly is not going to be missing from the picture when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party campaign in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. And these are some very relevant signs that most certainly cannot be missed by anyone. How she's addressed a joint India rally at the Ramlila Maidan. She's going to be attending the Ranchi rally today as well against Hemant Soren's arrest. Both Hemant Soren's wife and Sunita Kejriwal have been seen sharing the stage time and again sending out a message to the BJP most obviously, and has also done TV addresses relaying Kejriwal's message from jail. Like I said, the biggest indicator so far is how the Aam Aadmi Party has declared her the star campaigner of the party, and second to Arvind Kejriwal. Her name featured right after Arvind Kejriwal's name in that particular list. Let me go across to Isha, who joins us live with more details. Indications are many, Isha, that Sunita Kejriwal is being given that importance by the Aam Aadmi Party. She was named in the Aam Aadmi Party star campaigner list even before other prominent AAP faces who continue to day and night campaign for the Aam Aadmi Party, those who've been very vocal against Kejriwal's arrest as well. And she's going to be in the INDI rally today as well.
Right, yes. Even the first rally, the rally that took place in Ramlila Maidan, Sunita Kejriwal took the center stage yet again. In fact, she is the one who has been reading out Arvind Kejriwal's letters from jail until the last one, which was read by Sanjay Singh. Other than that, the letters are being read only by Sunita Kejriwal. So sources have been suggesting that she is being given added responsibility. However, there may be cracks in the Aam Aadmi Party, considering that not all leaders are okay with her gaining prominence after Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, as she was not involved in the functioning of the party previously, and now that Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested, she has grown to prominence. But speaking of the rally, which is slated to take place today, this is the India Bloc rally, which is being hosted by the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and Kalpana Soren, the wife of former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren, will be leading the rally. And in fact, yesterday also she urged all opposition leaders to also come and support, and also stated that this rally will be focusing on exposing the BJP's mindset to imprison opposition leaders. In fact, she also stated that Sunita Kejriwal will also be joining in, and this will be a joint rally to counter the BJP, stating that Arvind Kejriwal has also gone into jail and the ED has put fake charges. But to give our viewers a little bit of context, the last time that the rally took place in Ramlila Maidan in Delhi, opposition parties were upset over the main focus being granted only to Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. And you had also previously pointed out, Kritzbeen, that three of the major leaders of the India Bloc will not be present. Mamata Banerjee has not attended even one rally, which does raise questions on the unity of the alliance. So today it will be interesting to see how the rally pans out and what issues are raised. But again, speaking of the India Bloc, no prime ministerial candidate yet. Like you previously also stated, there is a clash that is underway.
And then there's also the issue, Isha, of how the BJP maintains that this is an alliance that continues to remain divided in several states like West Bengal and Kerala, but continues to project a united face of the alliance when it comes to the national picture. How that is so very problematic, says the BJP, and asks the BJP of the INDI bloc. Thank you for that. Sunita Kejriwal most certainly ready to hit the campaign trail in the state of Gujarat, where the Aam Aadmi Party, remember, wants to make inroads for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The AAP has already announced her as the star campaigner of the party when it released this list of 40 people for the state of Gujarat. And predicting the doom of the opposition Mahagathbandhan, the Prime Minister has also come out to say that the INDI bloc would fall apart after Lok Sabha results. They would tear each other's hair and clothes after the 4th of June, he says.